welcome back to Winnie Adventure. I'm here one more time again. So you know what I'm saying. You know what me there. Look, so which one me there? Which one me there? Yeah, the beach. And we know so we're gonna do some grilled chicken on the beach. And then we'll do some fishing also. So we'll do some the fish, and if we catch the fish, we're gonna do it same place. So it's catch and cook right there. Hi guys, Omar and Jody Lifestyle, and we're out here with Winnie Adventures, and we're about to have a blast.
Throw two line, catch two, swim around, throw it on the grill.
The lady of the year is here, my beautiful mother, and then my handsome daddy. You're gonna fishing, daddy.
Yep.
Me never see saying come in. Wait, one other one again. Wait. When chicken well cooked, you know. Are you that mom? You want to cut up more, or you alright with that? Can't cut it more, so you got it. Well, what no? Mommy, how your chicken taste? Taste like chicken. Eh? Taste like chicken. We just taste like chicken, so. I brush that. Yeah.
Brush on the sauce.
Brush on the sauce. Want me see brush?
Brush on.
Man, make sandwich.
That is it.
Alright, go on. Nicey.
I know my food out of this, you know.
It's not all yours?
I get
Everything is his. All it are his. Ingredient. So the big chef. Now show you some me cook. Mm-hmm. That is it.